Hi, everyone. My name is Caitlin Hester, um, and I currently live in Vermont. Um, I used to live. I spent like the past year in Washington D.C., where I worked in a cardiovascular ICU. There, I learned a lot. Got to see some really sick patients and cool therapies like the ECMO, balloon pumps, lots of LVADs. And I just moved back to Vermont. Actually, I'm from here, and I work in a general surgical ICU. So lots of neuro, and then hearts, burns, trauma, kind of the whole 9 yards. Um, and as since because I'm back in Vermont, I obviously love anything outdoors. In the summer, like hiking, mountain biking, and then I'm very excited for the winter to get back into skiing again as well. Um, and I really love just going out, trying new foods, stuff like that. And I work as a nurse, um, and I really do love it, but I realized I kind of want more in terms of the why. And whenever we're, doing different drugs and therapies for patients, I really like knowing what goes on at the physiologic and chemical level. And so that kind of prompted me more towards CRNA. And I think the pharmacology and the chemistry behind that profession is really appealing. So right now I'm not a full-time student. I just work full-time as a nurse, and I'm taking this course to prepare my applications for CRNA school. So I hope to apply pretty much as soon as I finish the course in January. Um, and I also am a platoon leader in the Army Reserves, and that has allowed for a lot of mentorship in CRNA, and the whole CRNA application process, and kind of getting shadow hours and stuff like that. And so it's had a lot of really cool learning opportunities as well. So yeah, I'm really excited to start the course.